Hi everyone. Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to access your Night Owl DVR from anywhere. This means you can check your security cameras even when you are not at home. It's a great way to keep an eye on things. Let's get started with the steps. First, you need to make sure your Night Owl DVR is properly connected. It needs power, and your cameras must be plugged in. Most importantly, your DVR needs to be connected to your internet router with an Ethernet cable. This physical connection is vital for remote access. Next, we need to configure some settings on the DVR itself. Go to your DVR's main menu. Look for Network Settings or Internet Settings. Here, you will usually find options for DHCP. It is often best to enable DHCP. This allows your router to automatically assign an IP address to your DVR. Write down your DVR's IP address, the HTTP port, and the media port. These are usually found in the network settings. Default HTTP ports are often 80 or 8080. Default media ports can vary. Now, we move to your internet router. This step is called port forwarding. It tells your router to send specific internet traffic to your DVR. You need to log into your router's administration page. You typically do this by typing your router's IP address into a web browser. Look for port forwarding, virtual servers, or firewall settings. You will need to create new rules. For each rule, you will enter the DVR's internal IP address that you noted earlier. Then, you will enter the HTTP port and the media port. You need to forward both the internal and external ports to the same numbers. Choose the protocol type, usually TCP or both. Save these settings. This step is crucial. Without it, your router will block outside access to your DVR. Next, consider dynamic DNS or DDNS. If your home internet service does not provide a static IP address, your public IP address will change. This means your remote access link would break. DDNS solves this problem. Night Owl often offers a free DDNS service or recommends one. You can set this up on your DVR or sometimes directly on your router. It links a memorable hostname, like myhome.nightowldDNS.com, to your changing public IP address. This way, you always use the hostname, and it finds your DVR. Finally, let's talk about accessing your DVR remotely. The easiest way is often through the Night Owl mobile app. Search for Night Owl Protect, Night Owl X, or Night Owl Connect in your phone's app store. The exact app depends on your DVR model. Download and install it. Open the app. You will usually see an option to add device or scan QR code. You can often find a QR code on your DVR or in its network settings. Scan this code. If no QR code, you can manually enter the DVR's serial number or its public IP address, or DDNS hostname, along with the ports. Enter your DVR's username and password. You should then see your cameras. For computer access, you can often use the Night Owl Client Management Software, CMS. You can download this from the Night Owl support website. Install it on your computer. Similar to the app, you will add your device using its serial number, public IP/DDNS hostname, and ports. Or, you can use a web browser. Open a web browser and type in your public IP address followed by a colon and the HTTP port number. For example, http://your.public.ip.address 8080 or http://your.hostname.com 8080. This should open your DVR's web interface. You will log in with your DVR credentials. That's how you can set up remote access for your Night Owl DVR. It might seem like a few steps, but following them carefully will get you connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides and tutorials. Your support means a lot.